We are coming into the man for. So the two coordinator them yeah, the two wicked.
One. Top Shatters is back. Kiss me, baby.
I kissed him in Miami.
Oh.
I'm the first person in 10 years to kiss him in Miami.
10, you mean 20?
20 years.
One city. Legendary one city, I never do. But the song that me know is.
Are we around?
Yes, people, you don't know me the facts now. Come for talk facts and talk trash. Yeah, man. You see me? When I just see that video there a while ago. What you say? Because the boss are ready to grab the Grammy. But we don't see what going on already still because a man just drop an album. We don't know what this album yeah. We don't hear nobody talk about it or whatsoever. Boom. Big announcement. Nomination. You say, wait. Which album this? This can't write. We don't hear other album yeah. And when you pre it, Zinka, when you look at Billboard, I say, yo, Kartel will get the album, you know. I'm going to win it. I'm going to win the Grammy. You see me? Yeah. I'm going to win the Grammy and every little thing. But we don't see for morning, you know. Remember, you know, the industry been pushing the money for years, you know. And when you check it, I just one bag of controversial things. And you see me? Because I just feel like, say, this was all a plan. You see me? Before him father road. You see me? Because the album dropped close for when him for father road. You see me? And the worst thing, a 2 album him drop that and then him drop one and him just come a road. So you can notice something not right. And to be honest, my opinion, if him win the album, if him win the Grammy for say, he's like the way no, it not even gonna be genuine. Like the impact of the album not dead for say yo forget a Grammy feat. You understand? If him do get a Grammy, me can say yo, the system just give him that. Or whatever links him have. Is what I try to say cause the Grammy thing yeah, genuine. And if them do get it, I'm not surprised either. You see me cause when him come out, some little thing I said and one bag of this I show in the media and whatever. You see me cause as me say now, him get him visa like afterward. And not even a year yet. You see me boy Jano, Papi, thing look away and Papi to rotted. Imagine this man in a prison for 13 years and this man forward and get visa fast. And man there road. How long and can't hold a visa. Yeah man. For sure you see just the powers and top links you have. You see me? And money have to do it too. You see me? But the Grammy thing yeah. Yo, that's a joke to you. You see me? But you don't know. Cause remember you know, the king thing what did I go on with you know? Remember say Beenie Man have film Grammy, you know. Now for the top man them have them Grammy. You see me and them I say, yo, the boy Beenie Man have Grammy, you know, him a go on like say Ray. So if Kartel ever get this a Grammy, you know, you know say nobody can talk to the Gaza people, you know. You go you say the greatest. You go you say this, you go you say that. Yeah man. One bag of thing are going on the media, man. You can't go talk to the Gaza people, them. You see me? But we don't know how that thing they work with the Grammy thing already. You see me? We know it work already. So I'm not surprised if him get it. You see me? Because him get him visa the right time for go to Grammy. That kinda spooky this too. You see me? Him get it the right time. Cause I think Grammy coming up soon. You see me? But everybody has speculated and I say, no man, this not right. But let me tell you now, with Cartel thing, you know, it's like, you see, because him is a system artist, it's like when people see certain things on the media, them just run with it. You see me? All when it not genuine. Cause everybody knows say this nominated for album thing. It even add up. It even make any sense. You see me? Cause it's not an album where people anticipate or any other thing. You see me? You don't know Shensia up there. Shensia did drop a good album. You see me? Yeah, but I don't know with this album yeah. Cartel chop name party with me and I like nothing where nobody did uproar about or any other thing. So when I see it nominate, I say, okay. I see the strategy where them a go pull off, you know. You see man, it's so said so done. V's already long time. You see me? Yeah man, V's already long time man. Playing a tech, every little thing. You see me? So everything plan out. You see me? Because it's so said done where, alright, him forward out, him job a album, forward out, then the album get nominated. And then by time, for sure it says a strategy, you know, is a plan. Because the album get nominated. When it get nominated, when you're not about a visa yet. But close to when it knows the album time, like Grammy thing I go start, you know, visa ready. You see me? So it's a plan for everything. You see, it seem like the show we keep with you. The show, them, contract them, everything ready long time. Because you don't know, them know my father with long time. House I buy, car I buy, every little thing. You see me? So when him do for the road, no, all him for do, I just sign him papers and everything. Liquor contract there, show contract there, all of the show them contract ready long time, put on. Word done send out, everybody know him a forward already. You see me? Everything put in line for when him for the road. This have to go on, this have to go on, ray. Who forget this, who forget that. You see me? Yeah man. So the Grammy thing we are gonna see still, but I tell you, if you ever win the Grammy there, rotted. You see, because how them deal with films thing already, him can't do nothing wrong, you know. So imagine if him win the Grammy, rotted, the worst. You got hear what going. All who for name did a call up with him or whatsoever. You go hear them, I got this and them, I got that, and because what them I try to do right now, you know, I try put some accolades for him right now, because them know say him artistry kinda dwell down you know. You see me, cause him not too have a proper voice, perform on stage right now. Him not too healthy. If he move around on stage and all of them little thing there. So him time I cut short right now. Cause me tell you now, yeah, him will go for Grammy every little thing, but remember say him have some show forward up. You see me, and boy, you know, I be a thing I go on, you know. Cause I don't know if him gonna keep up with all of them shows that way him have to go do. Cause I know like Jamaica show where him do where couple artists on the stage with him could have help him out, and we are going to say him go manage. You see me, can still a drink and all of them little thing there, so we are going to see what I go on. You see me? So the Grammy thing everybody I look forward to it and see what I go on. You see me? That are the thing. Him get him goal. You see me? Him done a boast about it already. So imagine if he get the Grammy you know, that you be the man can't talk to him right now, you know. If him ever get the Grammy, you know, I tell you, you go hear what go on. Because people are going to say all sort of thing. All of them know say, yo, this is not a genuine award. You understand? This is some bio thing, some links thing. And we all know that, like, trust me, when him win it, I just people I go come out. You have the people with the cloud people them way. Alright, if him win it, someone come out and say, what I'm doing? I greatest artist this. I want him to know. You see me, and someone go forward out and say, yo, nobody can talk to the boss again. You know, the Gaza people man say, yo, I want to you. Alkaline name I go start bring up here now. And say, yo, Alkaline go sit down and one bag of Ray and this, that. But them can't start Alkaline thing. You see me? And I want another moment that for Alkaline again. Can remember me tell you this, if him win the Grammy there, just watch. Them are gonna say Alkaline thing, Lillian, a big league, Grammy league and whatsoever and Ray. I would be a joke thing that brother, because this a man a drop album over the years, how much album him drop. And then him end up go prison. And why this a one year? Him have way better album than that one year when nominated, you know. And him man did it for years. See, now before him go prison. See? And all if him could have still nominate could have still go on and somebody collect it for him or whatsoever. But And when him forward the road, so everything set in place, say alright, he might go up there. You understand? But we don't know the system already. We see be a post and make by some big top page on Instagram and they say, yo, VYBZ KARTEL, when I think he might go win the Grammy and one bag of thing. You see me? But we don't know the thing set already. People are gonna say this and people are gonna say that. But in my opinion, it don't even go be nothing to me. Because we don't know say it's not genuine. You understand? This is like if him win it, it's like it's just a system gift. You see me? Links gift or something. You see me? It's not a genuine thing by music. Because the album they don't sell nothing. I don't know the first week nothing no go on feet. Nothing don't go on feet. If I did the album then back then I could have said alright, but this album, my brother, a joke thing. You see me? Nobody no made it. Not even the Gaza fans them. Not even them. They not even support the album. The only thing the Gaza fans support are the controversial thing what Cartel do. You understand? And the bagger business. Them will tune into that, defend him to the T. But you see when it comes to music and support, you must say Gaza thing big enough. See? And when it comes to support music and everything, nothing no did there. But tell them for trace and one bag of thing. All of the strength there and the support, but when it comes to music and nothing no did there. Is what I try to say. So imagine this album you know will get nominated and for the first week you know get no energy. Not even from the fans them. And it get nominated. But we don't know the system go already. You don't know who they on the Grammy board already. All of them look everybody have them links and them look at thing there, you see me? Yeah. So when me hear the look uproar about the Grammy thing and all of that and all of this, you see me? I see like FOOTA hype forward out and say something and
look, every single thing is being put in place for VYBZ KARTEL win the Grammy. Now, I truly not pay attention, you know. The government couldn't stop Cartel from coming out of jail. See? Remember, Jamaica Labour Party now want to see Cartel on road. See? The powers that be will work with Cartel thing bigger than the government. See? Have more power than Andrew Wallace them. See? That's how me could have tell you, say, Cartel going to get the visa. See? Him get a visitors and now the workers are forward soon. Cause them actually want him for dead in the Grammy celebration. Everything I put in place for him get the Grammy. Cause you know one of the things where Beenie Man I use beat him as the king. Beenie Man have a whole heap of thing and beat him as the king, you know. But one of the main thing where I beat him as king are the Grammy. So everything I put in place for him win the Grammy. So if you see him win the Grammy, don't surprise.
yeah, for that, like a pretty kitty look like that's how I go on. So if it happen, and I really not surprising, you see me? And when some people see people know, you see me? Maybe some people know say I go get it already because I done plan, done a system already and money. You understand? You know anything can buy out. You see me? And any who up on the Grammy board can start out or start out. You see me? But you know, like the bar, it look like the man reaching in a foreign there, so visa already everything, but boy, you know, the artist them when on a visa. You know, they're supposed to feel that way. If your man will fall from prison in a shot, not even 1 year good, and the man are back in visa already, and the man can't get a soul, nothing. Nothing the man them can't get, brother. Some man forward doing big show, like nominated, boom, already can't fly if you go for him Grammy by time. And so you know, say it's a strategy, you know, because how comes man forward out, and when him forward out, he get nominated, and then so said, so done, the man get the visa like couple days before Grammy about to start. You see me? Yo, I know. I tell you, brother. You see in a life, you have to just watch as certain things in but I want to see, yeah, you can get Grammy, yes, but work still have to go put in. And that are the thing, you know. But being man have him Grammy, yes, but Beenie Man a put in the work. You see me? All of who we see them a king, man them put in the work. Man me a talk about both local and internationally. Cartel not do that yet. Him not put in the work overseas yet. So he might get the Grammy, yes, and then that be a little moment, and then it die down. But we him have after to prove it. You see me? Cause we all know him not that perfect performance. Worse him voice a go here now. You know that go. Here are people that talk about get back up sing and right. Just wait. Wait man. We are gonna see, you know. We are gonna see what him can do out there in the world. You see me? We are gonna see what I go on. Just hope I rather I'm not going. You see me? Cause it not gonna look good. It not going to look good. You see me? Yeah, it not gonna look good. So everybody just attack and talk. You see me? But if you win the Grammy and thing, you know, nobody can talk to the Gaza fan them, cause let me tell you, at that the man them are gonna use now, over the other rest of artists, at Grammy them are gonna use only one little goal. You see me? One little goal. So at Grammy now, man them are gonna use, Man them are gonna throw away goal now when I talk about Grammy. You see me? Cause as a Jamaican artist, slash dancehall or reggae scene, it kinda rare or difficult to get a Grammy. You see me? We don't say Baba always are getting and him kids them. And you don't know Sean Paul, Shaggy, Kabaka, Coffee. You see me? The Morgan heritage them. You see me? So man them have to make sure say this a man I get him accolades too. Cause them done a prep him up, say him a the greatest and him a this and him a that and him a rare. You see me? Although we not see him do it out there big yet. You see me? Him song play out there, yes, but him no dominate dancehall yet on a stage out there in the world yet. You understand? Him do him one little big show, which is him biggest show in him lifetime. You understand? Him not do no big show yet. Him own show that call him big show. But I say going to people, we have to see what go on. But if him win it, the whole internet go on already. I'm gonna call up Alkaline here, I'm gonna call this man here. I'm gonna say one bag of thing them go on with. But all me have to say, after I get the Grammy, what's going to happen after? Because it not stop there, so it don't stop there, so because him have a lot of work to do out there. Him have a lot of work to do overseas. So as me say, people just like, share and subscribe, You see me? And we're gonna see what go on out there. Yeah man, we're gonna see what go on. You don't know, I eat this, You don't know media facts. As always, support the thing. Click the subscription bell and click all. You see me? Yeah man. And I can look forward for more video and thing, you see me? That is it. I eat this.